New data just dropped for 3I Atlas, and this update changes what we can confidently say about this object. No hype, no guesswork. We now have real telescope images and real orbital simulation data to work with, and for the first time, the picture looks clearer. Look at this frame taken on November 22nd. The stars are streaked because the telescope tracked the comet's motion, but the object itself, soft, centered, surrounded by a diffuse glow. That glow isn't a solid shell, it's dust and gas, what astronomers call a coma. That's normal behavior for an active comet. When contrast is boosted, you start seeing structure inside that glow. You see brighter zones, you see smooth symmetry. Some call this unusual. In reality, it means the outgassing is balanced, not chaotic. That's important because balanced outgassing usually means the core is rotating steadily, not breaking apart. Now look at the inverted version of the same data. This isn't showing metal. This isn't showing a ship. It's showing gas distribution patterns. There is a forward tail and there is an anti-tail. That sounds dramatic, but it's actually a known phenomenon. Anti-tails happen when dust spreads along the comet's orbit and Earth passes through that plane. It's geometry, not propulsion. Multiple observers confirm the same thing. The tail is still present, the anti-tail is still visible. The coma is large and diffuse. Independent backyard telescopes are now matching what larger instruments are seeing. That consistency matters. Now let's talk about the real physics. A new orbital simulation study ran thousands of calculations on this object's path. What were they testing? Not durability, not structure. They were testing trajectory stability. They simulated how the orbit behaves when influenced by Jupiter, Mars, and non-gravitational forces caused by outgassing. Here's the result. The orbit stays coherent. The path bends smoothly. Not because the object is engineered, but because gravity is predictable and because the comet's outgassing is stable, not explosive. So now the real picture looks like this. Real telescope images show a diffuse, active coma. Real simulations show a stable, predictable orbit. That doesn't prove anything exotic, but it does make 3I Atlas a very clean, very well-behaved interstellar object, and that alone makes it worth watching. This is where we're at right now. Not guesses, not sci-fi, just real data finally catching up with the hype. And the next few observation windows could sharpen this picture even more. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think this object really is? Just a beautifully behaved interstellar comet? Or something we don't fully understand yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you want real updates without the nonsense, hit like and subscribe. I'll keep watching it and I'll keep you updated.